Elalalangid ang makasable, makakatamad, manyaman matutut, mabasa na ako na naman medyas, mabasa na ako na naman sapatos. May ito nga yung buring sabihan na nini, kaura na naman.
Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you are meant for me.
Did you know that rainy days actually cause our serotonin levels or the happy hormone to go down? Scientifically, ing pamanuran causes the seasonal affective disorder. Seasonal affective disorder. Or what we call the sad disorder. Sad, yeah, kasi makakalungkot eh. Gets mo? Oneng kening Pampanga, if you scroll down your social media feeds, ating adwang emotions ang mangibabo kareng Kapampangan. Malagad ka mong manakit, malungkot, kasi either mimwala or danupan la, or some weird combination of both. Speaking of danupan, this video is brought to you by Mangan.ph. They deliver all over Pampanga. You'll hear more about them later in the show. From these two main emotions we will discuss, retang comments ang maralas tamong akakit, patse kauran kening Pampanga. Here are Kapampangan's 5 most common, most popular, kasikat a comments during the rainy season. Ingmo muna tamong daramdaman patse kaurana is tintamong klase. Mayor, tinagyan klase.
Ala!
Depende tinagyan klase. Holy, tinagyan klase. With kids being so social media savvy nowadays, masagli na mong ikutang kang mayor, kang vice mayor, kang DepEd, at kung nino man, pati kang eskwela yu, nung atin lang klase, reng estudyante. Very basic kitang kutang pero maralas tayong akakit. At ala naman marok yung mga utang. Pero patse, den college, abalitanda, na ila, at inlang klase, that brings us to the most popular comment of the century. Ay ne, ing number 2, ali kami waterproof. Kaya sobrang kasikat na ning comment ay ni, ali mo kabud comments ing lunto. At inaring memes sa po nanong diskusyon at debati, Lilwal Pauli nanini. Ali kayo waterproof. Balo mi ali kayo waterproof. Mumuna ne, ala namang mamilit kaya kayong lungog. And atin lang ausan discretion, which is defined as the freedom to decide what you should do in a particular situation. More than the decision of your school or the decision of the local government official or pag-asa o nano yamang agency yan, it is actually in your discretion. It is actually your decision that counts. Nya nung palagayo, ko makalog kasi masikan ing uran, na kayo lulog. Nung ipagibat nyo naman kako, grades or perfect attendance niya, bisa ako paring lungog. Fine. Okay, good. Pero para kaya kami, you should keep your priorities in check. Would you risk your health and probably even your life for that additional +5 in the recitation or ketang perfect attendance medal that probably won't matter 5 years from now? Palagay mi naman intindihan na kayo man ding professors you. Uling, laring waterproof din. Taula naman. Kalupa yu laring mababasa. Pangadwa, patse magobra na kayo. Say goodbye to class suspensions.
Sir, okay na kantay ta?
Kailangan may emphasize mo.
Waki, ba't ulitan ne?
Tsaka may slow mo yun eh. Yan. Oh. Tsaka may dagulan po. Banta, basa din.
Di ba dinan may pang subtitle itang part ito?
Sigurado kayo?
Lahat mo choice.
It has to be done. Say goodbye to class suspensions. Ala na eh. Magobra na ka. You're already an adult at this stage, or at least pretending to be one. Andyang signal number 4 na kaya kayo at makalbog na hanggang battle, kailangan mo pa rin lungog. College is basically training you for life, for the real world, for what's gonna happen out there after you get your diploma. And if you can't face the fact, mag-suspend obra pa che, magobra na ka, naka mo magipag-obra din naman.
Ramdam mo rin ta, pare.
Nano?
Dito haters tamo ka rin na.
Pare ni par, solid, last na mo. Pasensya na karang haters, ne. Kunwari mag-suspend mo yung mayor, ne. O kaya yung DepEd, o kaya yung pag-asa. Kiba't sabihan daw, classes are suspended in all levels. Kiba't biglang ating mangutang, pati po ba high school? Anak! Before we move on, karang kaya number 3, darang most popular comments, like to remind everyone to please like
Please
us.
guys, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at We The Local, and also to our YouTube channel at We The Local. Do you love me? I remember.
Moving on, Neselin, buset. Katlong comment, makalbog na naman kaya kami. Pauli na po ning topography ning Pampanga. Maralas po kayo ning lugar tamo. Lulbog la kagad, patse mumuran. Nga tilapig sasabihan mimila din tugak, makalbog na. Kalupad na po din towns banda north north of Metro Angeles like Guagua or Santo Tomas. Mababala po rin yung lugar na reta. Solid na pong mababa. At yun na pong elevation of 1 to 3 meters above sea level. That's low compared kay Angeles, which is around 90 to 100. It comes to no surprise then that one of the most popular comments sa daramdaman tamo patse mumurana is makalbog na naman kaya kami, lalong-lalo na karetaping makatok ng karin. Or the comment, kumakalog kasi makalbog na naman kaya kami. We're gonna go on a slight tangent here to see what we can do in our own little way, Adapen, to prevent floodings here in Pampanga. Kabang pisasabihan depa at panigobran depa itang anti-flood system kening Pampanga. 1, we can plant more trees. 2, we can avoid, throwing trash everywhere kasi they block our canals. 3 is we can plant even more trees. And 4, you should like our page and subscribe kasi para i-share yung video ini. Alright? Do it. Just do it. Just do it! Number 4, bisa kong mangan. At patse mo mumuran, bala mo, everything seems so appetizing, lalo na retang masabo.
Nanong kananda mo?
Ngeni pala ating scientific reasons, Kenny. Remember the SAD syndrome? Patse pala mababa ka serotonin levels, magtas in cravings mo for carbohydrates. Carbohydrates actually help SAD individuals with the serotonin increase. Nya pala, ganaganang pamangan kanita. Balang manyaman magsopas, manyaman magmami, manyaman nanupan yung
El Diablo!
extra rice, manyaman palang extra rice, patse kawa. Our advice, patse ka rin panahon na rin na danupan kagembale, simply use the Mangan.ph app. With Mangan.ph, ordering from your favorite restaurant is just a click away, and you have a wide array of restaurants that you can choose from at your fingertips. At mo man kailangan mako bale. Just download the app at the Google Play Store and the iPhone App Store and choose your restaurant, place your order, manaya, mamayag, mangan. And finally, number 5, minumtana. Minsan natin kang kakambalin kasi sasabihan ng mga yan, lalo na rin kaya mo. The weather is inviting karang mga yan. Agkat na kang minum. So, ita, sakto yan. Thank you, pare. So, apart from mamangan kasi manyaman mo rin naman minum. Manyaman pa siya kawaran itang kayabe mula ng friends and family mo. Itang miminum kayo, kaya mag-binge watch kayong We The Local. Kami, personally, we prefer this one. Or itang batirol kayong harap isang pamarago. Nice one. Lain nyo man pa siya mumuran, ating mag-text kaya kayo, chat atang mga niyan. Iba't ako man mituloy. Bad trip, Tandaan nyo, the Philippines is battered by an average of 20 typhoons per year. And I think you owe it to yourself to give yourself a little break. Be with your friends and family. And just, drink it up. This episode was brought to you by Mangan.ph. Ordering food from your favorite restaurants like Toll House, Angeles Fried Chicken, and even Mila's Tokwat Baboy is just a click away. Mangan.ph delivers to Angeles, Clark, Daú, and Talabastagan. Download their app on the iPhone App Store or Google Play Store or visit their website at www.mangan.ph. Nung ko man malaos tag yun na laki ni retang friends you, kaya Facebook page mo o kaya i-share pa yung video, baka mas makonsensya man. Baka makonsensya lang
Low pressure area!
Oita. Baka makonsensya lang kaya ngeda pa magpunta kay lakad yun. Oita, kami makuha na kami. Bye guys, see you in the next episode. Hope you like us on our Facebook page.
Kiki, do you love me? Ba? Chuko pa? Love you kid talaga Till our next episode. In the beginning. Joke.
Kapit kita. Okay.